Also, you may recall that Jude warned against the rebellious talk of Korah. Peter wrote about those who look down on lordship, calling them daring and self-willed. How then can we avoid Korah's attitude? How can we rather imitate his loyal sons, Elkanah, to lead his people? By showing disrespect for Jehovah's visible representatives, Korah, Dathan, and Abiram were actually fighting against Jehovah. Numbers 26:9 clearly states that. This Dathan and Abiram were some ones of the assembly who engaged in a struggle against Moses and Aaron in the assembly of Korah, but note, when they engaged in a struggle against Jehovah. Speaking abusively to God's appointees or about them shows lack of respect for divinely constituted authority. You may want to note in your Bible, Jude 8. Here, Jude is warning about ungodly men who had crept into the congregation. And it reads, though, note that it is something muttered low. It is not something expressed openly and outspokenly. Apparently, the one who murmurs has doubts, either consciously or unconsciously, as to the wisdom of his murmuring, yet not also for the grounds and the motive. It went on to show how schemed to seize what is not rightfully ours. If we remember that humbly serving Jehovah God is truly worthwhile, then regardless of...
No, it's like that. She talks too much. That's wrong. Spencer's in trouble again.
Like this. Just your face. Just your lips. Yeah, but what's wrong with that, huh? Julie.
Good job.
To where? Sounds like 1:30 or something.
Antoinette. What's your name again?
I'm Joe.
Joe, yeah.
Look at the nose hairs.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah.
Why's everybody cut?
That's funny.
You ready? Ready? What is this, like search and destroy or something? She doesn't want to look at, want to be recording with the camera.